Commissioner of Police David Morris says there have been 55 reports of child abuse within the last 3 years. Morris says the signing of the Child Protection Protocol on October 1st, along with the Domestic Violence Protocol, has paved the way for the setting up of a register of perpetrators, which would be in the possession of the Royal Virgin Islands Police Force.
In terms of the perpetrators register, you'll notice that in the protocol for child abuse, it establishes, as I said, a register where people who have been convicted of child abuse offences will be recorded on that register. And part of the protocol is when they seek employment, particularly if they're seeking employment or working with children, etc., part of the records check, again by employers, encouraging employers, is to check to see whether they are on that register in terms of convictions for child abuse in that area. For the first time, it actually starts to bring a monitoring to the territory around people who prey on our most vulnerable in society, and these are our children. Because invariably, some of the children don't realise that they are being subject to child abuse, and the people that prey on are perpetrators and predators, as we've already said. The extension I'd like to see from this register is a sexual offenders register as well, in terms of how we monitor those that have been convicted for sex offending.
And the Virgin Islands also now has enhanced strategies for detecting and reporting child sexual abuse cases after participating in a sub-regional workshop titled Responding to and Managing Child Sexual Abuse in the UK Overseas Territories. The 3-day meeting was geared to facilitate greater harmonization of approaches toward reporting and reducing the rate of child sexual abuse across OECS member states that are consistent with the revised Treaty of Bastia. Deputy Secretary in the Ministry of Health and Social Development, Carolyn Stout-Igwe, says the workshop was another reminder of the need to collaborate to protect the territory's children. The setting up of a child protection task force was among the recommendations coming out of the meeting organized by the OECS Commission through financial support by United Nations Children Fund UNICEF, Eastern Caribbean.